Hey there, it's Pedro with DCG. I wanted to show you a little bit about our DCG Intelligent Legal AI website assistant. So we developed this AI assistant for the legal community, specifically for firms like yours. So what's neat about this AI intelligent assistant is that we developed it for two purposes. Number one, to generate and qualify leads, making it easier for you and staff to reach out to these folks and schedule meetings and know exactly who you're going to be talking to, what their issues are, and most importantly, can they retain your firm or not? Number two, we created this as a knowledge base, more of like a frequently asked questions. Now, folks say that I already have a website for that, or people can call the office or anything like that, which is correct. They could visit your website, they could learn more about your firm. However, folks are not going to want to start clicking around the entire website to try to get more information. So that's why we developed this AI agent that is easily embedded onto your website, and folks can start chatting with it like a live person. So I want to show you a quick tutorial here so you can see exactly how this works. And so you can see the benefits of basically this intelligent AI assistant. So once we embed this onto your website, a pop-up will show up anytime a user wants to speak with the agent or get some more information. So here it's going to say, hi there, I'm Lexi, your legal virtual assistant. How can I assist you today? So we named this assistant Lexi, which is short for Legal Expertise Interactive, hence Lexi. So once a pop-up shows up, the user is going to be prompted to make one of two choices. They either want to learn more about your firm or they need representation. So for this example, we're going to start with I need representation. So this is going to allow us to start qualifying these particular leads, find out exactly what their issues are, can you help them, get their phone number and all that information. And one thing that I want to tell you before we continue with this is that all this information that we gather will be sent automatically to any CRM or any system that you use for your firm. Now, these are the questions, the qualifying questions that we developed for this particular example. Now, any of these questions or all of these questions are fully customizable. You tell me, hey, Pedro, I need to know X, Y, and Z. We could add those questions onto the actual chat and train the AI agent so it could ask those questions. Any information you need, all this is customizable. So first things first, it's going to ask the user what type of legal assistance you're seeking today. We're just going to put here, for example purposes, business law. Then it's going to ask us for the user information. It's going to ask for the user's first name. Then it's going to ask us for the last name, just to make sure that once we transfer this information to your CRM, to any system that you use, you have all the appropriate information for this particular lead. Then it's going to ask us, could you provide me with your best contact number? But one of the neat things that we added here was the intelligent knowledge, right? So memory knowledge, is basically the AI agent remembers the actual person's name. So it's going to always refer to me as Pedro because I am the one that's speaking to it. So here it says, thanks for the information, Pedro. Could you please provide me with your best contact number? So once again, all this information is fully customizable. Any questions you need to know, any information about the user you need to know, we could add this to the system and we could basically customize it and train the agent. So every time that they're qualifying a lead or generating a lead, they're asking all the right questions, taking one step off of your plate once you make that phone call. Once again, Pedro, can you please provide a brief overview of your situation so our team can better assist you? So here's trying to find out exactly, what your issue is. What problem are you in? So let's just put here, I was recently in a car accident. I know that the car accident has nothing to do with business law, but just for example purposes, that's what we put. Here it's going to ask, do you have any pressing deadlines or upcoming court dates? We're going to put yes on Tuesday. You could put the actual date, you could put the word, you could put whatever you want, and the system's going to automatically remember it. Here, after the user inputs all the information that we're asking it to ask, all the qualifying questions, at the end, it's going to say, Pedro, thank you for providing us with your case information. Please confirm that the following information is correct. First name, last name, phone number, email, case overview, important dates. Then it's going to ask the user to either say, yes, it looks good, or no, there's something wrong. If the user sees that there's something wrong in this information, and they click here, it will take them all the way to the very beginning so they can start this whole process once again. If the user says, okay, this all looks good, they click looks good. Then the system is going to basically say, thank you for confirming your information. One of our attorneys will be reaching out to you shortly to further discuss your case. Is there anything else that I could assist you with today? So now let's actually go to the other part of this AI agent, which is the knowledge base, letting users know more about the firm. So here, let's put, what services do you offer? So all this information is information that, yes, you currently have on your website. But as I mentioned in the very beginning, folks or users are not going to want to start clicking around to get all this information. If we could just direct users to use this chat and get all the information they want quick and easy, more than likely they're going to call to try to schedule some type of consultation, because it's very simple. Here it says, we offer a range of legal services, including consultations, litigation support, mediation, negotiation documents, review, and multilingual support in English, Spanish, and Creole. Great. Where are you located? Here it's going to tell us Summit Legal Group. This is just a dummy legal firm that we created for this example. Has office locations in Miami with this address and in Fort Lauderdale with that address. Great. What is your phone number? So this AI agent not only generates leads, qualify leads, but also acts as a FAQ or an assistant, right? Because it could provide users with as much information as humanly possible. Well, yeah, humanly possible, because this is an AI agent providing as much information to these users so they feel comfortable enough to schedule a consultation with your firm. Again, all this information and all this is 100% customizable. Again, all this information that we gather from this AI agent will be transferred over to any CRM or any platform that you use for your firm to keep all of your clients organized. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me.